I'm a junior in college. I enjoy basketball and have a hobby of trading stocks lately. ADHD affected my day-to-day life by making it harder to do maintenance tasks or routine tasks like cleaning a bathroom once a week instead of once a month. It impacted the ability to retain information and maintain a grade point average that I was acceptable with. I was diagnosed with ADHD about 2 years ago, so as an adult. I did notice the symptoms early on. I hadn't been directly confronting them or trying to fix them. I was sort of hoping they would just go away with time. ADHD is like having all the answers but not being able to explain them or articulate them. The toll that it took on me specifically was like that I knew I had a task that I needed to get done, but didn't know how to properly initiate or plan for that task to get done. And so then it would take an emotional toll because I didn't do the task. I don't think that people understand the challenges faced with ADHD. Prior to starting here, I would play a lot of video games and hang out with friends, mainly do things that I wanted to do that produced short-term gratification. After I started here, I began using those initiation and planning techniques to my advantages and began mapping out the amount of time that I spent daily playing video games, hanging out with friends. And so with those planning and initiation skills, I was able to start studying for school ahead of time and just being much more prepared for life. Well, the reason I went to progressive was because I was diagnosed with ADHD, but at the time sort of had this mentality of, now that I've been diagnosed, I have this medication, everything should start to, the pieces should start to fall into place now, and they weren't. So I seeked out an external provider of help. Progressive has impacted my school in a huge way, primarily through an initiation and planning. Planning in the sense that I can plan out my work week with school, plan out study times, plan out important dates for tests and things like that, and then initiation tactics to initiate that studying, starting a research paper a week before it's due instead of at the deadline. I would say that my care here has been excellent, and if someone is struggling with ADHD, this would be an excellent place for them to come to get help. As far as accomplishments go in school, this semester has been by far my best semester in school. I've had my highest GPA this semester. I recently got 100% on an accounting exam, which I was pretty thrilled with. And yeah, I'm just doing a much better job of staying on top of assignments, getting them done before they're due, and maintaining success.
We see individuals with ADHD, traumatic brain injury, and concussion, as well as stroke.
When people think about speech-language pathology, they typically think about speech disorders or language challenges, which speech therapists can do. But here we've just chosen to focus more on the cognitive aspect. And when I say that, I mean things to do with focus and memory, speed of processing, planning, problem solving, organization, all those daily skills that help you to really function and organize your life.
If you're someone who's struggling with attention or memory or planning, for instance, for a variety of reasons, you can self-refer. You can pick up the phone and call us at 701-356-7766. You can find us on our website and submit your information and come for a free consultation, or your primary care doctor can also refer you for treatment here.